What's up YouTube, Googly Moogly back again with another semi-daily pack opening. Today we have a Zygarde pack. And we have a Lucario pack. Here is the code card. Enjoy! We have an Ammonite, Scorched Earth, Old Amber Aerodactyl, a Riolu, Gothita, a Whismur, a Minccino, a Vullaby, a Lucario Reverse Holo Rare. Very nice. I'm liking this. Oh, nice texture too. And whoa, an Alakazam EX full art. Oh my gosh, with the Umbreon in the back and the Lugia just flying by. Oh my gosh. This is intense. This is so good. Whoa, it's textured too. This is great. Alright. Thanks guys. Amazing pull for today. I hope you enjoyed the free code card, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment.